Hey guys, this is Rob with Driven Racing Oil, and today we are going to be changing the oil on this 2020 Dodge Ram with a 6.7 Cummins. Where we're going to be using our DZL synthetic blend 1540 to get the job done. And also we're doing a small upgrade to the drain plug system, and show you this neat tool to get the oil filter changed on this thing without making such a big mess. Stick around, we'll get into it. One of the common issues on these trucks is temperature. These trucks are used for towing. They're pulling heavy weights, especially this customer. He's using this thing to pull a trailer that pulls excavators, skid steers. That's one thing DZL is going to help with. It's got a higher treat rate and an anti-wear package. It's got a great base oil that will take the temperature and the abuse that he's going to put on it. This is the new plug the customer wanted installed. Got a quick drain and a cap on it for making the oil change a little nicer, a little easier and cleaner next time. Funny thing about these filters is they're impossible to get a hold of. You can't get it from the top, can't get it from the bottom. You have to go through the fender well. To make this nifty little tool here, once you drop the filter down, you can screw this in the top of the filter, tilt it over, and pull it out without making a big mess, and install the same way as you approach order. What you can't see right now is I have both my hands in here, but I'm screwing that tool that I showed you earlier at the top of the filter, pulling it out, and here you go. You can see I got the filter out, and it seals it as you have it tilted over, or you don't make a big mess. And in reverse order of installation, I'm gonna put this back on and help me fish it back through the fender well there. Okay, now guys, we're gonna pre-fill our filter and use our tool here to seal it back up to install in the truck. Those trucks typically take 12 quarts. We've got 3 gallons here, so I'm gonna be pouring for a minute. All right, after he runs this truck for a few hundred miles, we're going to expect changes in mileage. Temperature control is going to be a little bit better. He's going to be a good example of what this oil is built for, as he pulls excavators, skid steers, and heavy equipment to his job site. So it's going to be a real good example of what DZL is used for. All right, we're going to check our oil level, make sure we're okay, and put it off first. Now let's fire it up. All right, thanks for joining us, guys. If you're interested in getting some DZL, go to drivenracingoil.com.